This is my first YouTube video. I don't have a fancy setup yet. I know I don't have all the answers, but I do know why I'm starting this. So, my name's Philip. I'm currently a shift worker, and yes, I very much am still in the system. And no, I'm not that person that's made it and escaped work 10 years ago and coming back now to teach you the secret sauce. I am in it. I've felt stuck, I've felt burned out, I've felt the exhaustion for a long time. So I'm not here to pretend I've made it, but I'm done pretending that everything's fine. If you're asking why I'm making this channel, it's all because I see a lot of people working very hard, doing what they're supposed to do, yet feeling exhausted and numb and feeling like life is just repeating that cycle for them. I think we both agree that none of these people are lazy, but they're overloaded physically and mentally. So my channel isn't going to be about quitting your job overnight, and it's not going to be about hating the system. It's about us creating headspace, direction and options one step at a time. So here I am. This is me documenting my journey honestly and one step at a time. This isn't going to be my highlight reel. I'm learning content creation. I'm learning how people build an income online. I'll be talking honestly about burnout, work, nervous system regulation, confidence and direction. Some things I'll get right, and we know some things I will get wrong. And I'm going to be honest about both. If you're already very successful and all you're looking for is some quick hacks, this probably isn't going to be for you. If you're burned out, stuck in a routine, and thinking to yourself that there's more out there, this could be the channel for you. I'm not coming here to tell you what to think. I'm coming here to walk through this in real time. I don't know exactly where this leads yet, but I know I'm not going to stay where I am. I want you to follow me in this journey, so together we can see where this goes.